today, guys, we will be decorating Halloween cookies. What you'll need to do is find your own recipe for your cutouts. I could show you the one that I used. So you're going to make use some cutout cookies. You're going to need some bowls, food coloring, your decoration that you're going to make your cookies with, and sprinkles. You could also use M&Ms or chocolate chips. I'm going to be using almond extract because that's what I put in my cookies. You can use vanilla or any flavoring you like. You're going to need some powdered sugar and some milk. And we're going to be making like a glaze type frosting. There are also other options of frosting out there you could make. You could use pre-made frosting, or you can make like a buttercream. But today I'm making like a glaze type. Your extract flavor of your choice, and you are going to stick a half a teaspoon of your extract. Let's see. And then the food coloring of your choice, you're going to put like a couple of dots in it. And then you are going to take 2 1/3 cups of powdered sugar. That's 1 and 2. And for the milk, you are just going to put a little bit in. I don't have an exact measurement. You're just going to put in just a little bit until it becomes like a glaze mixture. So now you're just going to mix it. A little too much milk in here. So you don't want to put a lot in. So now that I put a little bit too much milk in here, you're just going to add a little bit more powdered sugar to thicken it up. And the consistency should be something like this. You will see where it's slightly thick. Alright, do that to all the colors. The colors I chose were white. You don't have to add any food coloring to white. Orange. Purple. Yellow, and red. Alright, set wax paper down or some foil because we're going to be placing your wet cookies on the table. So I'm going to start off with this black cat. So I'm going to take my purple. You could either take your knife and spread it on. Or you could take your cookie and plop it in like this and let the excess drip off. And then it's entirely frosted. Yellow ball sprinkles, so we're going to make that for its eyes. And then that cookie right there is decorated. Next, you could take your dipped cookie, and then you can take another color, like say yellow. And this is another way to decorate it, and you just make swirly swirls into the frosting. Your cookies will look like this after they're decorated, or they'll look something different because you had something else envisioned. So yeah, this is how we do an easy cookie decoration. The frosting is dry now, so you can eat them. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you decorate your cookies Alright, see you guys later. Bye bye.